Namaste. Welcome to all here for the stretch class. So sit in the any comfortable practice. When you practice in the meditation and when you sitting in the any pose, always sit in the any comfortable. That's make you more happy. And you can sit little longer, 5 to 10 minutes in the one pose. Bring your palms on the knee. This is going to the practice today. Stretch class. Take your hands in the chin mudra. Relax your shoulder and softly close your eyes. With your closed eyes, just aware your breath. Watch the flow of your breath, deeper and longer. As you inhale, let the expand your abdomen. And as you exhale, let the relax. Breathe in to deeper. And breathe out longer. Inhale deeper. Exhale longer. With your next breath, join your palms together and your heart center prayer. Gently open your eyes. Namaste. Welcome to all stretch class. So keep a stay in the pose. Bring your both hands side of your body to the mat. Lift your right hands up. Place your palms next to your left ear and drop the hip to the right. Breathe. So you can feel the stretch your lateral stretch of your left cervical. You can keep your hands on the mat or bring your left hand behind. Stay and breathe. Inhale and exhale. 7 breaths. 6 more. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Inhale, come up. Release your left hand and release your right hand. Change your side. Inhale, left arms up. Place your left palms next to your right ear. Exhale, head down. Breathe. Either you keep your right palms on the mat or bring your right hand behind. Stay there. Seven breaths. 6 more. Last 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Inhale, come up and exhale, relax. We have done the side. Now go the front and back. So use your thumb and bring your thumb under the chin. Push your thumb's chin up. Reaching your elbow higher towards the ceiling. Breathe. Feel the nice stretch your throat and your thyroid gland. Push your chest forward, breathe and allow your head to drop back. Last 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Look front, inhale. Bring your both hands behind. Bring the elbow in, exhale, head down, chin to chest. Gently round your spine. Make the little round shape of the spine. So you can feel the nicer stretch your upper back and middle of the back. 6 there. 5. 4. 3. 2. Inhale up and exhale, relax. Release your hand. Go the gentle twisting right and left. So twist your right side. Left palms on the right knee, right hand behind back. Push your shoulder. Inhale, center. Change to the left side. Right palms on the left knee, left hand behind. Exhale. Inhale, center. Chain to the right. One more round. Exhale. Inhale, center, chain to the left, exhale. Inhale, center, and relax. Both the shoulder, right, left hands up. Bring your palms behind. Right hand up and catch your left elbow. Roll your left shoulder. Bring the elbow back of the head. I give you the side view. Bring the elbow back of the head and breathe. Your elbow not connecting on the head. Push the elbow away from the head and breathe. Gently turn your head to the left side. 6 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, look front. Bring your left hand forward, left elbow straight, and with your right hand hold your leg and twist. Exhale. Turn your head to the left. So this time you're working your trapezius muscles of the shoulder for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come up, and exhale, relax. Change side. Right hands up, bring your palms behind. Left hand up and catch your right elbow. Roll your right shoulder and bring the elbow back of the head. Push the elbow back of the head. Exhale, turn your head to go. Breathe. 6 breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, look front. Bring your right hand forward. With your left hand, hold your right, and exhale, twist to the left side. Turn your head to the right. Breathe for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come up, and exhale, relax. Just sit. Palms on the knee. Just roll your shoulder to the clockwise to release your tension in your shoulder joints. Chain to the anti-clock and relax. Interlace your 10 fingers. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Stretch. Stretch your shoulder, stretch your arms. Keep lengthening your spine and look down to the ground. 6 breaths. Reaching your elbow higher, reaching your arms higher towards the ceiling. 7. Inhale and exhale. 6 more. 5. Continue breathing. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, look front, exhale, and release your hand and relax. Now, cross your ankle like this. Okay, so once you crossing your ankle, your knee coming up. Hold here. Bring your both hands behind. Interlace your 10 fingers and stretch your shoulder. Once you stretch, push your chest forward. Look up. Inhale. Bend forward. Exhale. And stay here. Feel the nice stretch your shoulder for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, head up. Exhale and relax. Shake your hand. Relax. Now join your feet together, butterfly. Swing your knee. So this time we are working over the joints, our hip and inner thigh. So just swing your knee to release your tension in your hip joint and increase the mobility of the joints of the hip. Continue for 10, 9, 8, relax your shoulder and relax your lower back. 7, 6 more, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it. You can use your strength, use your traction to push your knee down and bend forward. Someone have the tightness, you're not able to push your knee down. What you do? Hold your foot with your both hands and bring the elbow on the thigh. With support your elbow, push your knee down towards the mat. and bend forward. Breathe. Keep using the elbow to push your thigh down, push your knee down, and stretch forward. If you can stretch your hand forward to stretch your lower back and breathe there. Keep lengthening your spine, straight and breathe. Make your spine longer. Push your knee down, arch your lower back and stretch forward. 10 breaths. 9. 8. Breathe in and breathe out. 7. 6 more. 5. 4. 3. 2 and 1. Inhale, come up. Exhale, relax. Both hands behind and join your knee together. Relax. Open your foot. Hands behind back. Press the tip of the finger. Drop the right knee next to the left heel, but not drop the left knee up, and turn your head to the right side. Push your right shoulder. Inhale, center. Drop your left knee next to your right heel, but right knee up, right knee don't drop. Bend the left elbow and push your left shoulder back. Inhale, center. Change. Drop the right knee, hold here this time. Bend your right elbow, push your right shoulder back and turn your head. Look behind, stay there. 6 breaths. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Inhale, center, change side. Drop the left knee, turn your head to the left side. 6 breaths. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Inhale, come. Exhale, relax. Stretch your leg forward and just secure. Now next again I am going to the shoulder stretching. So what to do this time? Bend your knee and bring your both hands back. Try to bring your hands as much as close to each other, okay? And move your hands back. Now those who have the hyperextended elbow, bend the elbow and push your hip forward all the way, okay? Or those who feeling your elbow are straight, don't have any kinds of shoulder or elbow injury or wrist injury, you can keep your elbow straight and move your hip forward. So these are straight. Those who are the not any kinds of the shoulder, elbow, or wrist injury or neck injury, go a straight elbow and a stretch your leg. Or those who have any kinds of injury of the upper neck, shoulder, elbow, and wrist, bend the elbow and hold. 10 breaths. 9. Either your chin up, either your chin to chest. 7. 6 more. 5. Continue breathing. One of the greatest stretch your shoulder, deltoid. 5. 4. 3. 2. Inhale, bend your knee first. Push your palms, bend the elbow, move your hip back, and exhale. Come back. Now, next what to do? Lie down on the back. Here. Once you lie down, stay there. Leg together. Lift your right leg up and catch your foot. Here and hold. If you can, use your both hands to stretch your hamstring. Now, from here, though you have the tight hamstring, you can use the towel to hold like this, or you can use the strap and your legs. Breathe. Knee straight. Flex your ankle and flex your toe. Stay there. Can you roll your right hip away from your right shoulder to connect your right hip on the mat? Stay there. Pull your legs towards the forehead and stay. If you have any kinds of cervical, let the head to the mat, or if you can, lift your head up. 10 breathing. Grounded your left heels and left knee straight. 9, 8, 7, 6 more, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, head down. Exhale, release your right leg and relax. Change side, left leg up, catch your foot and stay there. Breathe. So this time working the left hamstring and stay there. Breathe. Keep your left knee straight, flex your ankle and flex your toe. Roll your left hip away from your left shoulder to push your left hip down. Stay there, knee straight and breathe. Pull your legs towards the forehead. If you can head up or if you can keep your head grounded to nice straight. Remember to right heel grounded and remember to right knee straight and breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 more, 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhale, head down. Exhale, release your leg and relax. Hug your leg. Roll forward, come up and sit on the mat. Now, next I'm going to stretch over the side torso, the oblique lats muscle. So what you do here, stretch your right leg on the right side and bend your left leg. So once you are stretching the right leg, bending your left leg, push your pelvis forward. Right hand forward, left hand up. Now working on the left side. Take a deep inhale. Exhale down over the right leg. Inhale, come up. Exhale. Go the 5 rounds. Inhale, come up. 3 more rounds. Exhale. Inhale, come up. 2 more rounds. Exhale. Inhale, come up. 1 more round. Exhale. Hold here. Breathe. Twist. Roll your left shoulder back. Chin up. If you have neck pain, look down. Those who comfortable, stay here, or those who can catch the outer edge. Bend the left elbow, shoulder roll back. Twist. Breathe. Remember, your left sitting bones connecting on the ground. Try to transfer the equal body weight on the both sitting bones. Your body weight this time only going your right sitting bones if you are not aware. If you are aware, push your left hip down and stretch here. Once your left hip going down, once your left sitting bones connecting, left knee connecting, you can feel the beautiful stretch, your lower back, side, oblique muscles and your lats muscles. Breathe. If your left sitting bones off the ground, you can feel the little compression of your right hip flexor. So try not to lift your left hip up. Push your left sitting bone and stay here. 7. Inhale and exhale. 6 more. 5. Continue breathing from the lower back. 4. 3. 2. Inhale, come up and exhale. Now, bring your right hand outside of your right leg and press the right tip of the finger. With your left hand, catch the outer edge of your right foot. Hold there. Same leg. Don't change. Bend the left elbow and bring your left shoulder down and press your right tip of the finger. Twist your right side and breathe. Look your right shoulder and breathe. 10 breaths. Inhale and exhale. Remember to left sitting bones grounded. 9, 8, 7. Keep twisting your right side. Look your right shoulder. Head down. Left shoulder down. Right shoulder going higher. 6 more. 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhale, come up. And exhale, relax. We have done the one side, now change the other side. So bend your right leg and left leg straight. Move your pelvis forward and push your left leg down. Stay. Inhale, stretch your right hand side. 5 times. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. 3 more rounds. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. 2 more rounds. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. 1 more round. Exhale, down. Stay there. Breathe. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. If you're comfortable, stay here. Or if you can go down to twist. But make sure, remember to right sitting bones grounded, not your hip up. Push your right knee and push your right sitting bones back to transfer the equal body weight on your both sitting bones. And twist. Feel the nice sweat. Continue breathing. Inhale and exhale. 10 breathing. 9 breathe more. 8 7 6 more. 5 4 3 last 2 more breathing. 1 more breath. Inhale, come up and exhale, relax. Twisting, same leg, don't change. Bring your left hand outside of your left leg and with your right hand catch the outer edge. Twist here. Breathe. Now what you do here, bend your right elbow and bring your right shoulder down. Push your left tip of the finger and twist. Turn your head, lift your left shoulder and look your left shoulder. Breathe and head down. 10 breathing. Remember to push your right sitting bones back. 9. Keep grounded your right sitting bones. 8. 7. 6 more. Stretch and breathe. 5. 4. 3. Continue breathing from the lower back to release your lumboreous muscles. 2 more breath. Last 1 more breathing. Inhale, come up and exhale, relax. We have done the shoulder, side torso and lower back stretching. Now next we are moving on the hip region. So cross your ankle and go back to the downward dog, hip up. Just here, pedal your knee left and right. Hold here. Now practice the Ashtanga and Cobra 2 round. Exhale, Ashtanga. Drop the knee, chest and chin. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, downward dog. 1 more round. Ashtanga. Drop the knee, chest and chin. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Right leg back and up. Inhale, straight, pointing your 2 knees forward. Bring your right leg forward, outside of your right palms. Drop the right left knee like legion hold. And turn your foot and sole of the foot flat. Swing your leg right and left. Swing your hip right and left. Release your hip region. Breathe. Just drop the elbow if you can. Stay there. If you're feeling your left knee pain, you can use the towel or anything under the knee to give the support. But stay here last 10 breathing. But each breath keep moving your hip left and right. 9. 8. 7. 6 more. 5. 4. 3. 2, 1. Roll your hip to the right and stay there. Breathe. Gentle arch from the lower back. Push your pelvis to the floor and lift your chin and chest up. So lower your hip down and lengthening your spine to chin up. And roll your hip to the right. Stay here. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and good. Inhale, push your palms, look up, exhale, back to downward dog. Breathe. Left leg back and up. Inhale, pointing your toe, knee straight, reaching your left leg higher. Bring your left leg outside of your left palms. Turn your left foot on the left to sole of the foot flat. Roll your heel left and right. Roll your heel left and right. Roll your heel left and right to increase the mobility on the joints and a stretch in your thigh. Breathe. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6 more, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll your hip to the left if you're comfortable, stay, or you can drop the ankle. Stay there. Create the arch your lower back to push your pelvis to the floor and roll your hip to the left. And same time, lengthening your spine to lift your chin and chest up. Breathe. Stay here. Just deepen your pose and enjoy the nice stretch of the lower hip. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come up. Exhale, downward dog. Breathe. Leg together, right leg back and up. Inhale, pointing your toe, knee straight. Reaching your right leg higher and breathe here. Grounded your left heels and push your left thigh bone back to reaching your right leg higher. Push your chest and push your shoulder. Stay there. Breathe. You can squat your hip to little go the deeper stretch of your left hamstring. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2. Bring your right leg forward between your palms. Drop the left knee, toe pointing back, and bring your both palms top of your right knee. But remember, right ankle and knee not in a line. Bring your ankle under the knee. Bring your ankle under the knee and push your left hip down and breathe here. You can drop your left tip on the finger to let that down your left hip more and breathe. So when you left hip little going down, then you can work in your left hip flexor. Stay there. You can move your left hand a little more forward. You can see my leg and my hands a little away from my left leg. So you can bring also as well and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now go the half split. Hip up, right knee straight and toe up. Stay there. Breathe. So those who need block, you can take the block in your hand, or those who can, you can drop the elbow. Stay there. Or those who comfortable, just stay. Breathe. Move your hip left and right. Move your hip left and right. 5, 4, 3, 2. Stay there. Head down. Those who choose to stay here, you can stay. Or those who want to go the full split, you can go ahead and breathe. Or those who feeling you cannot make it the full split, just stay the half split and bend forward. Or if you can, just go down and bend forward. So this is a little deeper stretch your hip. 10 breath. 9, 8, 7. Either you can stay here in the half split. 6 more. Either you can stay in the front split. Just enjoy the beautiful stretch. 4, 3, 2, and inhale. Bend your knee. Look up. Exhale. Child pose. down the dog. So this round change sides. Left leg back and up. Pointing your toe, knee straight. Breathe. Right heel's grounded, right knee straight. Exhale, bring your left leg forward between your arms. Same concept, left ankle under the right knee and push your right hip down. Left knee and push your right hip down. Stretch your right hip flex. Stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hip up, left knee straight. Split, half a split. Breathe. Move your hip fast, left and right. Left and right. Left and right. Hold here, bend forward. Choose to stay here or choose to stay here. Which one easier for you? If you stay in the split, it's fine, or you can stay in the half a space. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6 more, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Charts. Downward dog, hip up. Right leg back and up. Bend your knee, arch. Exhale, pigeon pose. Bend forwards. Those who feeling your hip not connecting, you can use the booster or block. But remember, either your hip on the block, either hip on the booster, either on the mat. But try to flat your femur bone on the mat or block. Weight whatever using, okay? Your ankle you need in line according to your anatomy of the hip. If it's difficult, you can bring your ankle under the knee. It's fine, okay? Or you want a little deeper straight. If you have the physical body space, you can move your ankle to the knee level and bend forward. Breathe. So you are stretching your hip and someone also pulling your inner thigh. Stay there. If you want to more deeper stretch, tuck your left toe and push your left heel back. That's give you more engagement and traction your left side, so you can engage more your right side. Stay there. Try to create the arch your lower back to lengthening your spine. Make your spine longer. Head down. Relax your shoulder. Softness your neck muscles and softness your facial muscles. And you can have a beautiful smile on your face. That's make you more relaxed. That gives you more positive energy, positive vibe in your practice. Last 10 breathing. 9, 8, can bring your left shoulder also closer to the mat, that right shoulder off the mat. Last 5 breaths. 4, 3, 2. Inhale, come. And exhale, challenge. Downward up, chains up, left leg up. Bend your knee, arch and twist. Exhale, pigeon pose. Either you ankle under the knee, either you ankle on the knee level. So this is a step you only using your own physical body. How much give you a space to bend forward. If I bring my ankle under the knee, I don't feel any kinds of the strain. But someone have the tightness in your joints in your body. So if your ankle here, you can feel the beautiful stretch. It's fine, but I cannot feel the space, a stretch, because my hip have the space. So if I want to stretch my hip region, I need to move forward. Then I can feel a little stretch on my hip. So I'm enjoying here. But if your ankle under the knee, if you're enjoying, it's fine. Breathe. Keep lengthening. Stay there. You can tuck your toe to push your heel back. Arch your lower back to lengthening your spine. Breathe in and breathe out. Last 10 breaths. 9, 8, 7, 6 more. 5. Roll your hip to the left more. 4, 3, 2, and inhale. Exhale, 12. Now lie down on the chest, and next I'm going to the again shoulder stretching. So this is my right leg, okay? So I'm bending my right knee here and flat my right ankle, okay? And now bring my right hand inside, to right elbow straight, and I drop my right shoulder here. And stretch your left hand forward to get down. Breathe. And come back. Now change side. Do the same concept. So bend your left leg first. Okay. And then bring your left hand inside. And straight. and come back. And just turn back, lie down on the spine. Hug your leg. Roll left, roll right. Drop your both knee on the left and turn your head to the right. Twist. Chins up. Drop your both knee to the right and turn your head to the left. Twist. Come back. Hug your leg. Bridge pose. Catch your ankle or palms on the mat. Hip up. Inhale and hip down. Exhale. Hip up. Inhale and hip down. Exhale. One more round. Hip up. Inhale and hip down. Exhale. Hug your leg. Head up. Roll up and down. And relax. Stretch your leg forward. Inhale. Bend forward. Exhale. Six breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale up. Exhale. Single stretch. Palms on you. Take a deep inhale. Long exhale. Breathe in deeper. Breathe in long. Feel the lightness of your physical body. Feel the relax. Feel the difference and feel the changes. Palms together. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. With a beautiful smile on your face, open your eyes and relax. Namaste. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You will make the effort to join my class. Thank you so much to all.